Hello guys, my name is Lansha. Today I will tell you about how to make a database in MySQL by using XAMPP and how to make a relation between two tables. First of all, you need to open XAMPP control panel and make sure these two services are running in the background. One is Apache and one is MySQL. Now you need to open a browser and type here localhost php myadmin and click on new and make a database name whatever you like. Testing and database is creating. Now it's time to create a table. Name student and then first of all you need to fill up all of this according to your requirement. Name, first of all you need student ID, first name, last name, and date and DOB. Student ID must be integer and put auto increment, check on auto increment, and it must be primary key because you can make student ID unique. Click on go, and first name must be char value because we want to store only alphabetic character, and last name same as above character, and date of birth must be date and time. And now it's time to mention length here. Okay, time will be 20 and the last name will be 20 and the date name is 6 and click on save. And the student table has been created. Now it's trying to create a table to make a relationship between two. Okay, table name must be whatever you like. Library, okay, library and book ID, book name, author name, and author name. Okay, issuance. Book ID must be integer and it must be primary. So now it's time to name of book must be character because I'm going to store only character value, alphabetic character value. After name must be character. And issue date, yes, issue date must be data type. Another one is student ID. Student must be integer. Okay, 20 and issue date must be 6 because of month, year and date. Okay, student ID. Click on save. And library table has been created. Now it's time to make a foreign key of student table. Make a foreign key of library. Okay, first click on indexed to make a unique alter of this table. Okay, now it's time to click on testing data type designer view. Okay, now it's time to make a relationship. Select reference key. This must be primary key and click on student and foreign key of this table, student ID, and on delete put restrict. Okay, and you see that relationship has been created. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.